In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Google Sheets file to Excel. This is a handy skill, especially if you're working in environments where Excel is the preferred format for data analysis or sharing. Don't worry, the steps are straightforward, and I'll walk you through each one to make sure you can follow along with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Google Sheets file that you wish to convert to an Excel file. It might seem like an obvious step, but starting with the correct file is crucial to avoid any confusion later on. Once you have your Google Sheet open, take a moment to review the data and make sure everything is in place, since any changes you make here will reflect in the Excel version. Now, look towards the top left of your screen for the File menu. It's located on the menu bar, and by clicking on it, you'll reveal a list of options related to file management, such as creating a new sheet or importing data. Go ahead and click on File, which will present you with a drop-down menu listing various functions. As you scroll through the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Download. This feature allows you to convert and download your current Google Sheet in various formats. Click on Download to expand a submenu showcasing these formats. Among the options listed, you'll find one that says Microsoft Excel, XLSX. This is the format you'll need to use to convert your Google Sheet into an Excel file. Select Microsoft Excel .xlsx from the list. Once you click on it, you'll notice your browser automatically beginning the download process. Your Google Sheets file is being converted into an Excel file and will be saved to your computer's default downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. Keep in mind that the time it takes for this download to complete will depend on both the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection. Once the download is complete, locate your new Excel file in the Downloads folder or the destination you specified. Upon opening this file, you'll see that your Google Sheets data is now in the familiar environment of Excel, ready for whatever next steps you might have, be it deeper analysis, sharing with colleagues, or integrating into a larger project. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to convert your Google Sheets file to Excel. Whether you're transitioning data across platforms for collaboration or making sure your file formats are compatible with specific software systems, these steps will ensure you can easily manage and convert your data. Thanks for watching, and happy converting!